I bet you didn't know there's an animal that smells like your favorite movie snack. Meet the Binturong. This quirky creature, also known as a bearcat, is neither bear nor cat. It's actually a type of civet. Found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, binturongs are nocturnal and love to hang out in trees. Literally, they have a prehensile tail which acts like a fifth limb, helping them climb and balance. And here's the best part. They smell like buttered popcorn. Scientists think it's due to a chemical in their urine. Weird, but true. Binturongs also communicate with a variety of sounds. Whistles, grunts, and even chuckles. They're like the comedians of the animal kingdom, so next time you're at the zoo or watching a nature documentary, keep an eye out for the Binturong. This popcorn-scented tree-climbing wonder is sure to steal your heart.